Types of soil and soil pollution. Soil is a mixture. It contains small particles of rock, bits of decayed living organisms, which is called humus. Soil also contains various forms of microscopic life. The type of soil is decided by the average size of particles found in it, and the quality of the soil is decided by the amount of humus and the microscopic organisms found in it. Humus is a major factor in deciding the soil structure because it causes the soil to become more porous and allows water and air to penetrate deep underground. The mineral nutrients that are found in a particular soil depends on the rocks it was formed from. The nutrient content of a soil, the amount of humus present in it, and the depth of the soil are some of the factors that decide which plants will thrive on that soil. Thus, the topmost layer of the soil that contains humus and living organisms, in addition to the soil particles, is called the topsoil. The quality of topsoil is an important factor that decides biodiversity in that area. Use of large amounts of fertilizers and pesticides over long periods of time can destroy the soil structure by killing the soil microorganisms that recycle nutrients in the soil. It also kills the earthworms, which are instrumental in making the rich humus. Fertile soil can quickly be turned barren if sustainable practices are not followed. Removal of useful components from the soil and addition of other substances which adversely affect the fertility of the soil and kill the diversity of organisms that live in it is called soil pollution. The fine particles of soil may be carried away by flowing water or wind. If all the soil gets washed away and the rocks underneath are exposed, we have lost a valuable resource because very little will grow on the rock. This process is known as soil erosion. The roots of plants have an important role in preventing soil erosion. Vegetative cover on the ground has a role to play in the percolation of water into the deeper layers too.